Master the names of amazing animals and birds starting with letter V in this video. Let's get started. Vulture. Vulture. Vampire bat. Vampire bat. Vernal hanging parrot. Vernal hanging parrot. Viper. Viper. Verdin. Verdin. Velvet ussity. Velvet ussity. Vicuna. Vicuna. Velvet ant. Velvet ant. Vervet monkey. Vervet monkey. Vizlaw. Vizlaw. Variable hawk. Variable hawk. Vonga flycatcher. Vonga flycatcher. Volcano rabbit. Volcano rabbit. Veiled chameleon. Veiled chameleon. Victoria crown pigeon. Victoria crown pigeon. Varied carpet beetle. Varied carpet beetle. Victoria's riffle bird. Victoria's riffle bird. Variable checker spot. Variable checker spot. Velvet purple coronet. Velvet purple coronet. Vietnamese mossy frog. Vietnamese mossy frog. Venezuelan red howler. Venezuelan red howler. Variable oyster catcher. Variable oyster catcher. Vogelkop bowerbird. Vogelkop bowerbird. Variegated squirrel. Variegated squirrel. Velvet crab. Velvet crab. Virginia opossum. Virginia opossum. Veery. Veery. Visayan warty pig. Visayan warty pig. Vulturine guineafowl. Vulturine guineafowl. Village weaver. Village weaver. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien.